Once upon a time, in a little house by the forest, there lived a girl named Lily. One day she was wandering in the forest and suddenly she found a shiny golden key near a big smiling tree. The key was glowing and sparkling. Lily picks up the key and a magical door appeared. She opened it and stepped inside. Wow! She saw a world full of rainbow animals, like pink elephants and purple rabbits. The animals were playing there, and they welcomed Lily. Lily joined the fun and made friends with the rainbow animals. They danced, laughed, and played in a field of giant flowers. They had a big picnic with colorful fruits. As the sun began to set, Lily became sad because she knew it was time to go home. She waved goodbye to her new friends and stepped back through the door. She walked towards her home smiling. Lily was very happy, and she takes the key with herself, knowing she could return any time. Lily went to bed with a smile, dreaming of her magical adventure and the fun she had with her rainbow friends. And every night, she wondered what magical adventures awaited her next.